Hello BabaBoeey. Wizify is here. Welcome back to the channel. So as you saw in the title and thumbnail, only girls can hear this sound. Yup. The sound I will be playing can only be heard by girls or those who have good hearing power. Well, let's see. Only 2% people can like and subscribe before I start playing the sound. Well, thank you. So here we go in 3, 2, 1. So, were you able to hear it? Comment below. Like this video so that I know you heard it. And only legends can subscribe to me.
Subscribe BabaBoeey.
金钱看齐，墙上写着秦香莲的30，20岁了装个蛋炒，驸马郎的气质王啊，满皇上的会22岁了装。